Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Here's Arisha Hussain. Today I would like to tell you about 5 benefits to being an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur have a flexible schedule. As a entrepreneur, you have a flexible schedule both in terms of when and where you should starting your work. One of the best thing and biggest advantage of being an entrepreneur is you can work from home. You can work from office if you have one as you wish, and also work from virtually any destination with a great view and a cup of tea in your hand. That's totally up to you. Next benefit to an entrepreneur, your workplace can vary. Don't expect to always be working from inside an office while working for a creating your own startup. Entrepreneur and other startup founders often work from home or while traveling instead of when within an office. Also, you can choose your time when you work. If you want to stay up late, yeah, you stay up late. If you want to get up early, yeah, as you wish. That's I said totally up to you. You get up early. This flexibility of having your own work cannot be beat. It remains, in my opinion, as one of the best advantage of being an entrepreneur. It is hard to come by this amount of flexibility in any other job, I think so. So that's totally up to you, and that is too much amazing. Next, excitement. Yeah, it is exciting to build something from the ground up, especially when you love what you do. It is such a cool feeling to make something out of nothing, and it is so fun to hire awesome people to work for the company and to have amazing clients, many of whom are not only paying customers but also your friends. That's are totally amazing, and that's totally exciting for me. I wish for you also. Next, entrepreneur is more than financial gains. Yeah, when you make money, you get paid more. It is not an arbitrary number that you are being paid each year, and you don't have to wait for someone to give you a rise. You get to keep the profits, you pay the expenses, and if you are going it right, this will end up being a good deal. That's too much for me. No at a time for listening, being a listener, and also I wish for you also too. An entrepreneur is the driver. Yeah, you have a large degree of agency and control in what happening when you are starting your own company. You get to build a team, decide where the team is, where the company is going, and call the shoots. In this way, you have an opportunity to become a business leader, or you become the boss your own business. That's all. Hope so. You listening, you enjoying to listening me. Thank you a lot. Allah Hafiz.